demonstrate these agentic orchestration capabilities, we have prepared a demo that is about a common challenge in IT operations: how to reduce incident resolution time and operations staff workload by providing AI-assisted contextual analysis. In short, this use case is about incident enrichment in ServiceNow and demonstrates agentic orchestration with Automic version 26, combining trusted, deterministic workflows with AI reasoning, leveraging the new AI job type. First, let's create an incident in our ServiceNow instance and submit. Now, let's switch to the Automic UI to see the workflow. This workflow is triggered when a new incident is raised in ServiceNow. It retrieves the relevant ticket details and passes it on to the next object. And the second object here is of the new AI job type, and it is used to look for keywords in the ServiceNow ticket and then format these in the search format that ServiceNow expects. As you can see here, we use the system prompt to provide additional instructions and background information to better guide the LLM in how to respond to the user prompt. This is what the job's output looks like, and we can see that we automatically marked the AI generated output. This is important for compliance and audit reasons. Also here we see the variables that we publish throughout this workflow so that this workflow instance stays in context of the ServiceNow ticket that we are processing. The next object invokes the ServiceNow REST API to perform a similarity search based on the keywords that the previous AI job discovered in the incident. Next, we use another AI job to analyze and rank the most similar incidents that were returned by ServiceNow. And remember that analyzing and ranking large data sets is a perfect use case for AI. And here we can see that we started a new conversation, and later we can continue that conversation without losing any of the earlier conversation context. Once we have the answer from the model, here we use Ask AI to rank them with a confidence score from 1 to 10. And then based on the ranking, the next AI job then continues the conversation by analyzing ticket resolution or ticket closing notes and use these to formulate diagnostics or remedial steps that can then be used to enrich the ServiceNow ticket. And then finally we use the ServiceNow REST API to update the incident with the work notes that were generated by the LLM. The lower path in this workflow follows the exact same methodology, but analyzes knowledge base articles linked to ServiceNow tickets to further enrich the incident. If we switch back to ServiceNow, we can see that the Automic workflow enriched the incident with work notes to help the operations staff take the appropriate next actions, greatly reducing both time to resolution and manual effort.